What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Committed3d Tech, and you are here for the XYO S1K SAC, or XYO Show 1000 Subscriber Appreciation Contest. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get to it. Are you all as excited as I am? I don't think so, but if you are, that's great. As most of you know, since I hit 1,000 subscribers, I've been talking about doing this contest giveaway. Having only 1,000 subscribers, I actually don't get paid anything in advertising revenue from YouTube until I hit 4,000 watch hours. But having 1,000 subscribers is such a big deal to me because originally when I posted that first video, I had no idea that it would have so much traction, that people would be so interested in what I had to say. And as much as I would like to think that it is because of my cunning wits or my dashingly good looks, it is not. It's because of all of you in supporting me in this channel and all of the content that I put out, the likes, the subscribes, the comments, and just genuinely helping me to build this channel. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So, the way this contest is going to work, the main contest, the way that you enter is through doing an act of kindness. And the reason I chose to do that is because when you do something nice for somebody, something happens inside of your brain. A chemical called oxytocin gets released. That's the neurotransmitter that is released when you have feelings of love or friendship, and not only you feel it, but also the person who receives the act of kindness gets a shot of oxytocin. And it goes even a step further. Whenever you tell somebody or read a post about it on Facebook or see a picture or a video of someone doing something nice for someone else, that person watching or listening or hearing gets a shot of oxytocin. So basically the way I wanted to do this contest was I wanted to spread as much love and kindness and goodness as we possibly could. So the way it's going to work for the first part of the competition, what's up for grabs is a genuine, unopened XYO Geomining kit. And it will be autographed by yours truly, just for you. It hasn't been opened at all. It even has the stickers still inside. Those will come to you. So the way that you enter for the XYO Geomining kit is simply by doing an act of kindness for somebody. And it'll be on the honor system. All you have to do is leave a comment on this video down below of what you did. Now, I hold discretion to disqualify any comment if it doesn't actually hold an act of kindness. So for instance, if you just post something like, "Yo dude," or "Wow, this video is awesome," that comment will be disqualified. We will pick the next winner. With that as well, I also hold discretion to determine what an act of kindness is. So, for instance, an act of kindness could be holding the door open for someone, picking up a piece of trash off of the sidewalk. Oh, look. Or kissing a stranger. Wait, no. Don't kiss a stranger. Please, if you kiss a stranger, you will be disqualified. Don't do that. It was just a joke. Anyway, at the end of the contest, a random act of kindness from those comments will be picked and deemed the winner. There is also going to be an XYO Swag Pack up for grabs. And what that's going to include: an XYO hat, a pop socket that you can put on the back of your phone, and also a Gotta Mind Them All t-shirt. I don't have many options. This is a size large, so pretty much the winner is going to get that size. If it fits you, great. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Maybe you can give it to a friend or a family member, or cut the sleeves off and make a bro tank, whatever you want to do. There will be a link down in the description for a website called Gleam. So there are multiple ways that you can enter, everything from checking out my Facebook page to signing up for my newsletter, a whole bunch of different ways that you can do it. As far as the timeline goes, the contest is going to run from today, September 11th, until November 11th. So you have 2 months to enter the competition, and you can do all of the different variations. Down in the description will be a link to the official contest rules. And although I put it in the rules, I do want to put out the disclaimer. One, I paid for all of these products myself. Two, YouTube is not supporting this contest in any way. This is totally on me and my own contest that I'm running. And with that as well, XYO is not affiliated with it at all, although I am giving away stuff from XYO. Once again, it's all stuff that I've purchased, and I'm just doing this contest because I want to say thank you and show my appreciation. Also, I forgot to mention, for the Geomining kit, there is only one entry per user. So you can comment as many kind acts as you would like to do. Actually, that would be great. I mean, go buck wild doing nice things for other people. But as far as the comment selector, it will be a random comment selector that will filter out multiple comments. So basically one entry per user for the Geomining kit. As far as the XYO Swag Pack goes, like I said, Gleam has multiple ways that you can enter. You can't do those multiple times, and that platform will handle all of that. But I just wanted to clarify that for the comments of the kind acts that's going to happen. And as always, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you like the video too. When you hit the like button, that helps my video go in front of a larger audience, and that's going to help this channel grow. It's going to help me to be able to do better giveaways like this in the future as well. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you get notified every time that I put out a new video. I have some extremely exciting content coming forward. A little spoiler alert, I did just get my coinmine.com setup sent to me just now as I was filming this video. So it's super exciting. That video is to come, so make sure you turn on the notifications. So with that being said, let the XYO Show 1000 subscriber appreciation contest begin. Get out there, share love and goodness, do acts of kindness, and make sure you comment them below to enter the contest, and we'll catch you in 2 months for the winner. Once again, my name's Chris with Committed3d Tech, and thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you next time.